Hello everyone, it is raining. See the people who is from north side, they are suffering from hot actually, and in Bangalore we are not facing any problem, like we are not feeling hot here at all. Since 3 months I am here. देखो दोस्तों क्या मस्त बारिश हो रही है. It's a view from my PG actually. You can see the raining. It's raining a lot since evening. You can see the good views from here actually. ये हमारी पीजी है दोस्तों, ये मेरी पीजी से व्यू है. अगर आपको किसी भी चीज़ की इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस चाहिए दोस्तों, यू कैन कंसल्ट विथ मी, यू कैन कमेंट. See, he is my friend coming. This is a PG for girls actually. Lots of raining here. People are enjoying.